Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace spark plugs in a Honda Fit. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a ratchet, an extension, and a 5/8" spark plug socket. Also, have your new spark plugs ready, along with a gap gauge and some dielectric grease. Remember, always ensure your engine is completely cool before starting this process to avoid burns and potential damage. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. Now that you are prepared, let's access those spark plugs. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This is a crucial safety step. Next, locate the 4 ignition coils positioned on top of your engine's valve cover. Gently unplug the electrical connector from each coil. Then, use a 10mm socket to remove the bolt securing each coil. Finally, carefully pull each ignition coil straight up and out of its well. With the coils removed, it's time to replace the spark plugs. Use your 5/8" spark plug socket with an extension to carefully remove each old plug. Take a moment to inspect them for any unusual wear patterns. Next, ensure your new spark plugs are correctly gapped according to your vehicle's specifications. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new plug. Hand tighten them, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to 22 foot-pounds. You are almost done? Now, let's reassemble everything. Carefully reinsert each ignition coil into its well, ensuring it seats completely. Reconnect the electrical connectors to each coil until they click into place. Then, tighten the 10mm mounting bolts for each coil. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal securely. Start your engine and listen for a smooth idle, confirming a successful spark plug replacement. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.